Have you ever wondered what lies in the most unreachable corners of the world? Thanks to Google Earth, we've been able to glimpse some of the most remote, mysterious, and impossible-to-reach places on the planet. These hidden locations, each shrouded in intrigue, seem beyond the grasp of even the most determined explorers. Today, we're uncovering 10 of the most mind-blowing, hard-to-reach places revealed on Google Earth. Buckle up for a journey across the globe to places where danger, isolation, and mystery collide. 1. The most difficult place to reach in the world. Our first location remains undisclosed on the map, only known by those who braved its remoteness. But here's what we do know. It holds the title of the most difficult place to reach on Earth. This spot lies in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by hostile terrain, lack of infrastructure, and a climate that turns even the simplest journey into a monumental challenge. The logistical nightmare involved in getting there has turned this into the ultimate adventure for explorers. Even with modern technology, this place remains untouched by human hands, a fortress of nature few will ever conquer. 2. The Nuclear Square Mile, New Mexico. Hidden deep within New Mexico's arid desert, the Nuclear Square Mile is a no-man's land literally. This area is known for its dark, classified past tied to nuclear experimentation. Highly restricted and protected by government agencies, getting close to this location is impossible without clearance. For years, it's been sealed off from the public, with rumors swirling around secret projects and radioactive contamination. From Google Earth, you can only catch a glimpse of the barren, mysterious landscape, a stark reminder of mankind's dangerous experimentation with atomic power. 3. Capote Falls, Texas. Hidden in the rugged terrain of West Texas, Capote Falls is the tallest waterfall in the state, yet very few have ever seen it up close. Despite its beauty and scale, it is surrounded by private land, making it practically unreachable. To reach the falls, adventurers would need permission from landowners, but even with that, the remote and wild landscape offers no clear route. It's a rare gem visible on Google Earth, its waters cascading down rugged cliffs in isolation. It's nature's masterpiece that remains untouchable to most. 4. The massive ice canyons of Ayudik National Park, Canada. On the icy coastlines of Canada's Baffin Island, the Ayudik National Park houses some of the world's most striking natural formations, massive ice canyons. These frozen behemoths carve through a landscape like frozen rivers. Their beauty can be admired from above, but the path to reach them is blocked by one of the harshest environments on Earth. The park is so remote and so cold that only a handful of brave souls venture near. Even those who do must battle brutal Arctic conditions, making it one of the most challenging expeditions. The name Ayudik means the land that never melts, and it's no exaggeration. 5. The most isolated chunk of the Colorado Plateau, Utah. Nestled in the vast, open wilderness of Utah lies one of the most isolated chunks of land in the United States, the Colorado Plateau. This vast expanse of rugged desert and towering rock formations is as breathtaking as it is unforgiving. There are no roads, no trails, and no signs of civilization for miles. Adventurers who try to reach this place are met with sheer cliffs, maze-like rock formations, and extreme conditions that make survival a true challenge. It's a landscape that feels completely disconnected from the rest of the world, like stepping into another planet. Reaching this spot is a badge of honor for those willing to brave the journey. 6. The Eye of the Sahara, Mauritania. Seen from space, the Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat structure, is a massive geological formation that looks like an enormous spiral etched into the desert. This natural wonder, stretching over 30 miles in diameter, is located in the remote sands of Mauritania. While it's visible from satellites, reaching it on foot is a different story. The Saharan desert is unforgiving, with its scorching heat, endless sand dunes, and lack of resources. Only the most prepared and experienced adventurers would even consider making the trek to this natural anomaly. Even scientists remain puzzled about its origin, with theories ranging from a collapsed volcano to an asteroid impact. 7. The giant footprint visible from space, Utah. Another Utah mystery. If you zoom in on Google Earth, you can spot a giant footprint etched into the land, only visible from the skies. The exact origins of this massive footprint remain unknown, fueling countless myths and legends. Some say it's the work of ancient civilizations. Others believe it to be a natural formation with a curious shape. While the footprint is a captivating sight, its location is so remote that few have managed to reach it on foot. Dense forests, rugged terrain, and steep mountains make this an almost impossible destination to access. It's one of those hidden treasures that leaves more questions than answers. 8. The Maroon Crater Vanuatu. Deep in the Pacific archipelago of Vanuatu lies one of the world's most active and dangerous volcanoes, the Maroon Crater. This fiery abyss on Embrim Island is a breathtaking spectacle of nature's raw power. The crater continuously spews molten lava, toxic gases, and ash clouds, creating a hellish landscape that few have dared to approach. The intense heat radiating from the crater is so powerful that it has melted metal drones and camera equipment sent to capture its terrifying beauty. Even from afar, reaching Maroon is no easy feat. Adventurers who brave the treacherous trek must traverse dense jungles, uneven volcanic terrain, and the ever-present threat of toxic fumes and eruptions. Only a handful of daring volcanologists and explorers have stood at the crater's edge, where one misstep could be fatal. Maroon serves as a stark reminder of the Earth's volatile forces, offering both a mesmerizing and perilous view to the depths of the planet's fiery core. 9. The abandoned city of Pripyat, Ukraine. Abandoned overnight after the catastrophic Chernobyl disaster, the city of Pripyat stands frozen in time, a ghostly reminder of the event. While some intrepid tourists have visited this haunting location, it remains largely inaccessible due to lingering radiation. From satellite images, you can see entire neighborhoods being overtaken by nature. Trees now grow inside crumbling buildings, amusement parks rust away, and the city feels as if it's been forgotten by time. Pripyat offers a chilling glimpse into a world that was once thriving but now lies abandoned. 10. The abandoned military base, Kola Peninsula, Russia. Perched on the edge of the Arctic Circle, deep within Russia's remote Kola Peninsula, lies a haunting relic of the Cold War, an abandoned military base. Once a strategic outpost during the tense US-Soviet standoff, this desolate stronghold has been left to wither in the unforgiving Arctic climate. The harsh, frigid conditions and isolation of the region make it nearly impossible to reach, with freezing temperatures, icy winds, and treacherous terrain blocking most attempts. For the rare few who dare venture here, the decaying bunkers, rusted tanks, and deteriorating equipment are eerie reminders of a bygone era of military power, now slowly being reclaimed by nature. This ghostly site serves as a chilling window into history, frozen in time. And there you have it, minus 10 of the most unreachable places on Earth. Each of these locations offers something extraordinary: mystery, beauty, danger, and wonder. While Google Earth gives us a bird's-eye view of these places, their inaccessibility makes them all the more fascinating. So which one intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures across our amazing planet.